¿Cómo está everybody?
How is everybody doing? How's the baby boy?
Sleeping.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
What do you mean meow meow meow?
What the hell? Oh, boy. So, Charlina, what's the plan? What's the plan?
You're going to get the car now,
Yeah.
right? And you're going to do the big shopping.
Big shopping.
Big grocery shopping.
Look at this cat is doing. Baby, look. He's trying to lick the mama butt.
Really?
Yeah, we're gonna do very, very big shopping. What do you think how much money we will spend, Charlina?
10 maybe.
10K? Jesus Christ. So much money. Are we gonna do the breakfast or I will just go?
Let's do breakfast first.
But baby, I have 30 minutes.
Huh?
I need to be 30 minutes
Oh,
basically
really?
in Valencia.
Valencia.
Yeah, and I have to take the Charlina scooter because I will leave her scooter on their house. So me, I have to go. We're gonna do the breakfast, unfortunately, but you can do it yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're going to where the banana is, right?
Yeah.
Can you buy me banana?
Then when I will get home, after that I will go cut my hairs. Then I will go Robinson. I don't know when I will come back. But let me make you a food like this here. We do the oatmeal, little bit oatmeal for Charlina.
Yeah. Tip, tap, tap,
You want
tap,
salt? That's
tap.
alright.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want salt?
No. There's no sugar there because it's healthy. That's why it tastes like that. Tastes nothing.
Try now.
Is it good now?
Yeah.
Yes. That is still.
Mm.
I will eat it with milk.
Jesus Christ.
What?
I have to take your scooter. Damn,
Don't be
so
arty,
bad.
oi. Come on now.
Okay, baby girl.
Yeah, go.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay, baby boy. I love you too. Goodbye, everybody. It's time to die. I have to drive with her scooter.
Why so
Mama.
arty?
Ooh.
So arty.
I don't wanna go, but I just have to go and bring the diapers. Look at this, I have to drive with this thing. It's okay, Era. Guys, do you know how much we traveled before with that scooter? We went everywhere with Charlina's scooter. City to the city to the city. And lots of people help us to do this. How's the tires?
It's still working. Wait, come on now. Stop complaining.
My God. Okay, bye-bye everybody. Jesus Christ, look at this.
Look nice with it, though. So small, right?
We came to the Pakong gas station. So I need to put some air in the tires, like I cannot drive like that. It's just crazy. I was driving like, I don't know, 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, we got 30 right away in the rear tire, which is nice. Now we gotta do the front also. Okay. We got a little bit over 30, so I'll just let it out a little bit. Okay, now let's drive. It's much better. Oh wow. Damn. Guys, look at this. That's my butt here. So we finally got to the place where we should get the car. Wow. Mana pulbos. What? 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 I'm here when.
Yeah, come inside the gate.
But so, Kuya is coming out to show us the way. Oh, over there. Okay. Let's go there. Mana pulbos. I don't have brakes. Where should I park? Huh? Where I will leave the scooter? Here. Hello. Damn guys, it's so scary to drive with the scooter. I'm not used to it.
Why are you using a small scooter?
Because I don't want to leave my bike here. I will use that on the daytime.
Oh, okay.
I will just bring the car home and tomorrow I will use it
Yeah.
in the morning.
What time will you come back tomorrow?
After we will go at 9
Okay.
to the hospital, so we do the vaccine, so I'll take them home and boom, I will come back.
Okay.
Noon time probably.
Kuya will wait for you here.
Yeah. What is this place?
We're renting an apartment for now.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How much do you pay rent here for an
This
apartment?
one is a bigger space.
Yeah.
it's 14,000
Okay, okay.
with the garage.
Okay, okay, okay.
This one, it's a small one. It's 12.
Okay, okay. But you have so much space there.
Yeah,
Damn, that's so nice.
yeah.
Yeah. But what is this? Are they still building that, right?
The owner here is the vice mayor.
Oh, really? Vice mayor?
Yeah, in Ayungon, from Ayungon.
Oh, okay, okay.
But she didn't finish the house because they have a bigger house near the seaport.
Is that gonna be their like personal house?
Yeah, it's supposed to be their personal.
Really? Jesus Christ, guys, look at this.
Yeah.
Then that's like a castle. Okay, bye bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh wow, guys. So we got the car. Then the girl here is the woman who's doing the rental. Them, she's so nice. So nice. I like her so much. So sweet. Oh wow, it's blinking. Yeah, we gotta put some fuel also. I've just put for 500 pesos, guys. How are you, boss? Kumusta ka?
I'm okay, sir. I'm
Okay,
fine.
okay, okay.
How about you, sir?
I'm okay also.
Okay.
So guys, we're gonna head to the Robinson. Then I really hope that we can find some parking space. So everything is full as always. Am I right? Am I wrong? So let's see. Are we gonna be lucky here or not? We managed to get the parking spot. Jesus Christ. We only had to wait like, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes probably. Let's do a very, very big shopping. Meine Buon boss. Mein Otto. Okay. How are you?
I'm good.
Salamat, salamat. Gotta take some money out also. We will take a little bit. Hello sir, meine Buon. Mein Otto. Mein Otto. So guys, look how full we are. Then we are completely full. We spent 10k on the food. Jesus Christ. Ay, damn, it's so heavy. Can we buy some cake for Cholina? For the lovely Cholina? I'll buy one of this and one of that. Hello, how are you? I want to buy mandarin, seedless. Do you have seedless?
I don't know also if seedless or not.
Not really. No, it's okay. I will just take 2 of this.
2? Okay, sir.
Yeah, one is 100 or what?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Oh, really? Oh, wow, guys, look at this, how sweet this woman is. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, wow, we got 2 extra just in case if something is ugly inside. Damn, that woman is so nice. Oh, damn, it's so dusty that even the dust came to my mouth. But we are home, we are home, we are home. But I'm not gonna stay long home because I will go to the Jolina mom place. I will talk with her mom, maybe she can be our nanny. And I need to go cut my hair also. Ayo! 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 You wanna touch how heavy it is? Try.
So much grocery.
Can you even lift this? Don't mess your back up.
My
to buy
tongue
the
is not
salt.
working. Dehydration.
What?
Dehydration salt.
Yeah.
And you will get water also.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you got so much grocery.
Yeah. Do you know how much money did we spend in Robinson? 10k exactly.
Huh?
10k.
See, I guess it right.
Yeah.
I said 10k.
Yeah.
So it's exactly 10k.
Let's eat the cake first.
Oh yeah.
Let's try the cake, baby girl.
Look what you have.
Yeah. Pita cookie for this puta.
What's puta mean?
Nothing. It means lovely woman.
Nah, you're lying.
It means flirt.
It's
It
not.
means pok pok. It means pok pok. Are you gonna be okay?
Huh?
Are you gonna be okay here?
Yeah, yeah.
I will go cut my hair. And after that we're gonna check what Cholina mom is doing.
Ah, yeah.
I will just call her, right? I will just call you while I'm there. Okay. Miss, how are you?
Fine. Mag-upa magugong gusugod do. I thought it's full tank, sir.
It will be full tank. Yeah.
For 300.
Yeah. It's so empty. I'm sorry. It will be. Yeah. Okay, salamat. Salamat, salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. Okay, salamat, miss. Thank you so much. So guys, we are in Dumaguete City. We're gonna go to the Paseo Pardeesises building. Damn, I don't even know how to pronounce that building. Manapun. ¿Cómo estamos? Ayo. Are you gonna go cut your hair?
No.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. So let's see. Can we do our haircut? Ayo, manapun. Can I cut my hair? But where's the other guy? Where's the other guy?
Sergey?
Is he here?
Yeah, he's here.
Okay, okay. Boss. Okay, perfect, perfect. So, hello, how are you? Kumusta ka?
Good, sir. How about you, sir?
I'm okay ra. What's this? Fixed fee?
Yeah.
Supervisor?
Yeah.
Oh, really? What do you supervise?
Yeah. Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. But what's the mask for?
Because I always need that.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
That's for customers for that.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. That's perfect. Oh, well, salamat. Thank you so much, miss. Do you have a lunchtime? Hello, sir. Hey, how are you? Oh, lovely faces. Guys, look at the boy. Damn, look how clean I am. It's crazy. Oh, yeah. So let's give them money. I don't know how much is the haircut here. I think it's like 3. How much does the haircut usually cost? How much does this one cost?
350, sir.
350. I keep the change. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yan, ada yung parking ra ba?
Oh my goodness. Ooh, somebody touched my motorbike. Jesus Christ. Salamat, boss. Oi, 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 oi. Damn.
Okay. Direct?
Guys, do you know it's illegal to give money? You know it's illegal. Illegal. You know what we should do? Let's go to the Lee Plaza. Let's see, maybe we can find ourselves a new shirt. How are you guys?
We're good.
You're good, good. So guys, let's check it out. Lee Plaza. Look at this. Na 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 na. Oh, looks. Guys, in Lee Plaza we have to be very careful. It's not allowed to film here. So I have to check out the security. 50%.
Yeah, sir.
Oh really? Oh Jesus Christ, look at this guys. You have new stock. A little bit.
Same design that I have medium.
Really?
Red color?
Oh, no, no, no.
What color?
Pink. Do you have pink?
Yeah. This one. Medium.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god, guys, we are so lucky right now. We can have ourselves a new shirts. So guys, check this Lee Plaza fitting room. I'll just try the shirts. So guys, we got ourselves 4 new shirts. And can you imagine, one was they were all 50% down. So I got one shirt for 500 pesos instead of paying 1,000 pesos. For 2,000 pesos, guys, I got myself 4 shirts. Otherwise, I would have paid 4,000 pesos. Jesus Christ, I'm so lucky. And I gave the girl also my number. I have to be so discreet here. I gave her the number also, and they will have new stock, so they will message me. Receive them 4 pesos. Hello, mayroon hapon. Oh wow. Vana puun. So guys, we came here to Jalina mom place. Look at this beautiful place. It's so beautiful here. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, so Jalina is speaking with her mom right now on the phone. Maybe she's interested to come to the work for us. Yeah. Seems like she's okay to come. So she's living right here. So every morning she will come to our house in the morning. She will take a shower, she will change the clothes, and she will take care of the baby whole day. And after me and Jalina will come home, you know, after from logging, she will just leave, you know. She don't even have to stay in our house. Damn, that's just so perfect.
You get the number?
Yeah, what do you think about your mom?
Huh? Well,
Tomorrow she will come. You just stay home with her, you know, first.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So
You
I
try
will see,
the, you know, the bump thing and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. The cat wants to have food, huh?
Sige, ako ignore usa. Ako ignore usa. Salamat kaya.
What is he saying?
He found one also.
Oh really?
He will come here on Monday and we will talk.
Oh really? Here you go. Look, what are you eating over here? You have to eat here.
Oh.
The,
You get
the
that's
thousand,
good.
the 1,000 shirt was 500.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you got lucky.
I got 4.
Oh, that's
Yeah, I
nice.
got my new pink one.
So now you
I
have.
got exactly the same one. This one.
So now you have new shirt.
Yeah, 4.
Tell people why you have same shirt every day.
What do you mean? Yeah, because.
Yeah, because you always get the same color.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, always get same color.
Yeah.
You have 3 color of this now,
But-
right?
Yeah.
What of that? Yeah,
it's okay.
the pink, 2 pink.
Guys, we just ate our breakfast.
What do you mean breakfast?
We just eat. It was first eating for me. Yeah, look at the time. It's already 6.
It's a dinner.
No, it's a lunch. Or I don't know,
Breakfast and
dinner.
lunch.
So guys, the car rental for one day is 1,500 pesos. Under 30 USD. So guys, look at this Michelin man. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are about to end the day. You know? Yeah, it was awesome day. Give me a kiss, baby girl. Mwah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.